If living in a smart apartment has always been your dream, then you need to watch this video. Located just about 4 to 6 minutes from VGC, Urban Prime is a place to call home. So, without further ado, let's go in. At the door, you are greeted by a doorbell and a camera. So you get to know who is at your door. Now, take a look at this massive living room. Now, this room can be used to entertain your guests. Can also be used for a room for large gathering like family, stuffs. We also have a living room upstairs. So look at it. Beautiful. I love the tiles on the floor. It complements the color of the wall. I just so love it. And one thing about these guys, they know how to blend colors. So like I said before, this estate is a smart apartment located in Abraham Adesanya. It is a fully secured estate with 24 hours security, both internal and external. Home security lock for your door. Price at 70 million naira for a 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex with a BQ. This apartment is a dream come to reality at this price. Added to this, it comes with 24 hours of electricity, especially in a country where we don't usually get that, so that's a big deal. So downstairs we have a visitor's room where you can entertain your visitor for the night, especially if you don't want him to be in the same space as your family. Oh, did I mention that the walls are equipped with wall speakers that you can play via Bluetooth in each room separately. Wow. So, if your kids want to listen to a particular music, they can. If you want to listen to your kind of music in your room, guess what? You can. So let's go upstairs. Upstairs we have 3 rooms, 2 for the kids and a master suite for mommy and daddy. So let's look at the rooms. We also have a family living room here. As you can see, it's quite spacious and it's somewhere you want to gather around with the family and just relax, watch a movie, and just do something nice, tell stories to your kids and things like that. If you like this video, please click on the like and subscribe button. Hit the notification bell to get more awesome videos on real estate from us. The estate also comes with an estate gym and a swimming pool and a recreational area for relaxing. Wow. Now note, please note, this apartment does not come with this interior, this beautiful interior. You are free to design the interior of your apartment the way you want. It only comes with the tiles, the paintings, the POP, the lights, but your furnishing depends on you. If you want to get this same style of furnishing, then give me a call. I'll hook you up at a reasonable rate. Now, let's go into the master suite. Whoa, this place is relatively huge and the finishing is just awesome. I love it, I love it, I love it. Moving into the bathroom, you find a bathtub, a shower place, and a toilet. Now you can decide for your bath to use the shower, or just relax on the bathtub for a while. You know, I love the finishing. Sirs, ma'am, don't wait for this real estate to be sold out, because I assure you, in the next few weeks, probably less than 2 weeks, this estate will be sold out. Just outside the house, we have a BQ. Wow, look at this space. Actually, 2 beds can fit into this, and it is ensuite as usual. So you can put your maids or your house workers. This is phase 3, phase 1 and phase 2 sold out in 2 to 3 months. In 2 to 3 months. So give me a call. Let's get you your home. So it's time to say bye-bye to this beautiful piece. Outside, we also have a beautiful gym house. If you are like me 6 years ago and you like keeping fit, then this is for you. You want to lose weight, this is for you. You want to stay healthy, this is for you. Upstairs, we also have a relaxation spot where you can chill out, have a bottle of wine, a bottle of beer. So aside the 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex, which is going for 17 million naira, we also have a 3-bedroom terrace plus a studio apartment. I don't think you heard me right. We have a 3-bedroom terrace plus a studio apartment, meaning if you buy this particular unit, you can decide to stay in your apartment and rent out the studio apartment. Now the studio apartment comes with a living room, a room, a toilet, and an open style kitchen. We also have a 2-bedroom apartment for 30 million naira. Also a 1-bedroom maisonette for 35 million naira. Also added to that, we have a 55 million naira 3-bedroom terrace. So